Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Nessa. So today guys, I will be doing my eyebrow. I will be using the Sasha concealer to do my eyebrows, and this is in the shade Matte Caramel. And this is how the concealer look, guys. Okay, the consistency on this concealer is very thick. So yeah guys, what I will be using, I'll be using two brushes, a thick brush and a fluffy brush and a concealer brush, and I will be using a spoolie, and I will be using a eyebrow pencil. This is from my beauty supply store. So yeah guys, if you all are interested in this video, then stay tuned guys. So the first thing I will be doing is using my spoolie to brush my eyebrows up. Okay, then I will be using my pencil. I really like using this pencil guys, and I will be shaping out my eyebrows. And when I'm shaping out my eyebrows, I am using a very light hand, like that. And then I'm going to take my pencil and darken my eyebrows going upwards. Like that. So I'm going into my Sasha concealer, and I'm going to use my brush, and I'm dipping, making sure the brush is loaded with that concealer. This concealer is very thick guys. It really cover up all my dark spots. And then I'm taking my brush and I'm tapping and blending that concealer out. See how thick the consistency of this concealer is? Very nice. I am so accustomed to my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn, but I've been trying something new and I really like the coverage of this concealer. Okay guys, so now I'm going to do the top. So I'm just taking a very light hand and blending that out to the front like that. Okay guys, so I'm going to set with Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and this is it. Alright guys, so I'm just setting. So yeah guys, if you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and leave your thoughts down below, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.